My name is Joao Pedra. I'm an associate professor at the University of Maryland School of Medicine, and I work with tick-borne diseases.
Ticks are kind of nasty creatures, aren't they?
Yes, they are very nasty, but at the same time they're very fascinating.
I think that ticks elicit that reaction in a lot of people because they are gross, but the micro world is so fun to look at.
One fundamental question that we ask in my lab is that why ticks have so many infectious agents and why do they acquire those infectious agents? Lyme disease is obviously the most important one from a public health point of view, but also you have other rickettsial agents. You also have viruses that are transmitted, not specifically by the Lyme disease tick, but you have parasites and many other bugs. The scientific premise that we have in my laboratory is that the tick immune system is somewhat different when compared to other arthropod vectors, and so there's something unique there, and my lab tries to investigate how that works.
One key question that it seemed like many people are not addressing is why these bacteria can persist inside of the tick. Once we understand it, then we can start designing therapeutics that might do that for us in the form of like a spray, for example, to basically cure ticks of their bacteria.
Perhaps we can manipulate ticks genetically in the future so that we can kill the pathogens. And if the immune system kills the pathogen, then obviously there is no disease transmission because the pathogen is not transmitted when you have tick feeding.